Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto OnChain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. PAWS Token Generation Event and Listing, a game changer for February 2025. The crypto community is abuzz with anticipation as PAWS, a promising blockchain project, gears up for its much-awaited Token Generation Event, TGE, an official listing, slated for February 2025. With the exact date yet to be announced, excitement is mounting, and the hype surrounding $PAWS is reaching new heights. Investors and enthusiasts alike are bracing themselves for what could be one of the standout launches of the year. The road leading to this pivotal moment has been marked by innovation, strategic partnerships, and community engagement, positioning PAWS as a project to watch in the competitive crypto landscape. Let's explore everything there is to know about the upcoming TGE listing, and what makes $PAWS so intriguing. Why $PAWS? Understanding the project's appeal. The $PAWS token represents more than just another digital currency. It symbolizes a vision for a more inclusive and engaging blockchain ecosystem. At its core, PAWS seeks to foster a strong sense of community while delivering innovative solutions in the crypto space. Key highlights of the project include: community-centric approach. PAWS prioritizes its user base, incentivizing active participation and engagement. Innovative features. The project combines blockchain technology with gaming and airdrops to create a dynamic ecosystem. Scalability. PAWS aims to support large-scale adoption by offering seamless integrations and partnerships with established platforms. A community divided. Reactions to the TGE announcement. When PAWS X hinted at the February 2025 TGE enlisting, the crypto world immediately took notice. Social media platforms were flooded with reactions, ranging from unbridled enthusiasm to cautious skepticism. Supporters' perspective. Many in the community view the upcoming TGE as a significant milestone, a moment that solidifies PAWS' position as a serious player in the market. Supporters are optimistic about the project's innovative roadmap and its ability to attract a loyal user base through exciting initiatives like airdrops and gaming integrations. Critics' concerns. Not everyone is sold on the hype. Some investors are wary of the challenges that come with launching a new token, including price volatility, competition, and the pressure to deliver on promises. These skeptics are watching closely to see how the PAWS team handles the rollout. The PAWS X Caps Airdrop, $550,000 in rewards. Adding to the excitement is the PAWS X Caps Airdrop, a strategic initiative aimed at rewarding early adopters while boosting engagement within the PAWS ecosystem. Key details of the airdrop. A whopping $550,000 worth of $DOGS tokens will be distributed to the first 55,000 participants. The airdrop serves as an incentive for users to engage with the platform ahead of the $PAWS listing. By rewarding genuine community members, PAWS is fostering trust and loyalty while eliminating bots and ensuring a fair distribution of tokens. This initiative highlights PAWS' commitment to building an active and engaged user base, setting the stage for a strong launch. PAWS and Grand Gangsta City, gaming meets blockchain. One of the standout features of the PAWS project is its partnership with Grand Gangsta City, a popular gaming platform on Telegram. This collaboration is more than just a marketing move. It represents a bold step toward integrating cryptocurrency into the gaming world. What does this partnership mean? Expanded reach. Grand Gangsta City boasts a massive user base, providing $PAWS with access to a wider audience of gamers and blockchain enthusiasts. Innovative use cases. By incorporating $PAWS into the gaming ecosystem, players can earn, trade, and use tokens seamlessly within the platform. Mainstream adoption. The partnership paves the way for broader adoption of cryptocurrency, as gaming provides an accessible entry point for non-crypto users. This collaboration is a testament to PAWS' forward-thinking approach, merging entertainment with blockchain technology to create a unique value proposition. Price speculations and market outlook for $PAWS. As the February listing approaches, speculation about the price of $PAWS is heating up. Analysts are cautiously optimistic, with pre-market estimates suggesting a price range between $0.0072 and $0.0078. Factors driving price predictions. Community engagement. A highly active and supportive community can significantly boost demand for $PAWS. Supply and demand dynamics. The total supply of tokens and the interest generated during the TGE will play a crucial role in determining the price. Strategic partnerships. Collaborations with platforms like Grand Gangsta City and CAPS are likely to enhance the token's visibility and utility. Anti-bot measures. The PAWS snapshot, conducted on December 30th, was a critical step in rewarding genuine users while eliminating bots, ensuring a healthy and organic ecosystem. Looking ahead, what's next for PAWS? The PAWS project is entering a critical phase, with the TGE and listing serving as major milestones. But what lies ahead for $PAWS beyond February 2025? Roadmap highlights. Post-launch developments. Following the TGE, the team plans to roll out additional features and integrations, further enhancing the token's value. Expanding partnerships. PAWS is actively seeking collaborations with other platforms to broaden its reach and utility. Community growth. By prioritizing user engagement and incentives, PAWS aims to build one of the most active and loyal communities in the crypto space. Conclusion. A defining moment for $PAWS. As February 2025 approaches, all eyes are on PAWS. The project's innovative approach, strategic partnerships, and commitment to its community have set the stage for a potentially groundbreaking launch. Whether you're a seasoned investor or new to crypto, $PAWS offers a compelling opportunity to be part of a project that's shaping the future of blockchain innovation.